Experience hassle-free power cable purchases with ElectricHouse.com. We, ElectricHouse.com, made power cable purchases easier than ever through our online platform. You can save time and money by buying power cables online without having to go to a store and inventory check. Show the customer how to use the platform. Visit our website. Search the type of power cable you need. Select the item, and you can find the live inventory on product page. Add your items with required length to the cart and proceed to checkout. Once your order is confirmed, our cable warehouse will be notified immediately and will reserve the ordered item. Summary: your material will be dispatched to our warehouse immediately once the payment confirmation is received. In addition, all the required certificates and data sheets can be downloaded from your order page. Note: if your required quantity is not found, add the Add to Quote button to get the availability and price. ElectricHouse.com. Let's transform the business together.